Hello guys, and today we're baking fluffy soft pancakes. We will need 2 eggs, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a cup of milk. First we will add our baking powder to the flour mix. Then in another bowl, our 2 eggs we will mix and whip together. Then place them all together and keep on stirring. Stir this until the flour is dissolved inside the egg mixture. Next we will add in our first half a cup of milk and then mix it again. Keep on mixing until the consistency is like this and is really gooey and stretchy. Now we are going to start cooking it. We are going to add in our pancake mixture and pour it in to make little circles that we would like to use for our pancake. When you're leaving it to cook, you gotta watch the pancake and you've gotta watch until all of the holes of the pancake are all popped up, like what's happening right now in the picture. And once all of them are popped, then you can flip it over and it'll be nice and golden brown. We'll let the pancake cook to the other side, then put it onto a plate and repeat these steps over again. When you place it onto your plate, you can decorate it a bit. I just placed it like this to show you some angles and cool pics of it. And we're going to continue adding some more pancakes to our plate. Here for decoration, I added a slab of butter, and now we're going to eat it up. I cut it into quarters just to show you the inside of it and how fluffy it is. And look at that, as I show you, it's really fluffy and the insides are really soft and textury. I dipped mine in some of the butter and ate it up. Thank you for watching. Bye!